The White House is repeating its claim that President Donald Trump ended a military conflict between India and Pakistan, stating he used American strength and trade leverage to de-escalate the tensions. Analyst says India is playing a double game by affirming its one China policy after 17 years. The move is seen as an effort to appease Beijing on border issues while also pressurizing the Trump administration on trade. The officiating Jathedar of Akal Takht has demanded justice for the victim of Chittisinghpura Massacre. He claimed the 1999 killing of 35 Sikhs was staged by Indian agencies to malign the Kashmiri freedom struggle. At the United Nations, Pakistan has told the Security Council that sexual violence is being used as a weapon of war in Palestine and Kashmir. The ambassador called for urgent action and accountability for the perpetrators. The Wire editor-targeted press bodies in India are condemning the FIR filed against the Wire's editor Karan Thapar. They have criticized the use of a draconian law as an attempt to muzzle fire media in the country. Forum France has condemned India's ban on 25 books about Kashmir, calling it a tyrannical attack on intellectual freedom. The group said that move is a failed attempt to suppress history and erase the Kashmiri identity. A Samajwadi Party MP is criticizing a new bill that would remove ministers from office if they are detained for 30 days. He yells the bill is designed as another method for the ruling party to remove non-BJP chief ministers from power. The Urs of Hazrat Makhdoom Said is being observed in Srinagar with thousands of devotees attending his shrine. The event features special prayers and night-long recitations highlighting the spiritual guide's teachings. Residents of Srinagar Batamalu area are protesting a severe water crisis that has lasted 2 months. They have blocked a main road and are warning authorities they will intensify their agitation if the issue is not resolved.